Alright, so this is the same lock as video 143 that ended up being master pinned. I took the master wafers out of it and see if we can pick it again without master wafers. Always kind of disappointing when you buy used locks and pick them like that and then they end up putting the whole thing master pinned. Fortunately, I have pinning kits for these, so I could repin it without the master wafers and still have a key that works. Okay, we go, got it open. And I guess I'll just gut it again just to show it here. Can't even try. I got this guy all the way, so just pull the shackle off too while we're at it, since everything else fell out. I think the bidding on this was like something like 66448 or 44668. I can't remember. That right here is pin 5. Looks like 66448. And then upstairs we had serrated, spool, serrated, springs here. Alright, so it's serrated, and then spool, and serrated on number 5 there. And then show you here too, these are the balls that hold the shackle in place. And this is a key retaining actuator. When this is turned, the balls can go out of the way, lets the shackle up, but then the back of the plug right here can't turn back because it hits this, which doesn't let you release the key because it can't push the pins up back into the chambers for the key to come out. And you try to pull the key out, the pins are just pushing against the side of the Bible and not able to come out. So that's what makes this key retaining, where the key won't come out when the lock is locked. And so I guess that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.